The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, central Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:31 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Carlisle Springs, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Boiling Springs, Wirtsville, Hogestown, Mechanicsburg and NOAA, Shiremanstown and West Fairview, Camp Hill and Wormleysburg. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 221 and 256, Interstate 81 between mile markers 46 and 69, Interstate 83 between mile markers 26 and 49, Interstate 283. This will also impact the following major roads: the Harrisburg Expressway, the Harrisburg Airport Connector, State Highway 283, Route 11, Route 1115, Route 15, Route 22, Route 322, Route 322-22. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts and large hail. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877